Hey guys, it's me, Kimberly, owner of Nutrition with Kimberly. So not much has changed since COVID happened with Nutrition with Kimberly. Usually we go and see our clients, to get a good face-to-face, develop a relationship with them, take measurements, go over a couple of things. That was kind of eliminated. Did a lot of FaceTime calls, Zoom meetings, group meetings that we did. COVID has kind of been a benefit for Nutrition with Kimberly. A lot of people kind of have been looking for more nutrition advice now that COVID is starting to slow down and everybody's getting back to their regular life. So we're still doing a lot of the same practices that we had during COVID, doing everything over the phone and online. However, there are certain circumstances now, if our clients feel comfortable, we're able to go to their house and do what we usually do, take their measurements and meet them in person. As we know, things are always changing. We're ready to adapt to whatever we need to, and looking forward to see what the future brings. So now more than ever, nutrition is super important for everybody of all ages. So if you're looking for any help with your daily routine, any goals you want to achieve, any medical issues you have that you're concerned about, I'm more than happy to help you with those things. So you can always get in touch with us by giving us a call, reaching out to us on our website, sending us an email, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.